Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on Messenger. So if you want to see your deleted messages on Messenger, that what you can do is you can head over and then open the application itself. So for example, I have in here this conversation, so you can head over and then send in here a message. So for example, if you actually long press on it, and then you try to actually click onto this more page, you can see in here this delete option. You have the option to delete it for everyone or for you. So if on some instance the actual person has deleted the message for everyone and you're actually connected to internet, that means that you won't be able to see it even in your notifications page. So what you can do instead is you can head over to your Facebook and then just try to download the data. Head over right here to your menu, and then for this one, head over to the settings option. Scroll down. From in there, head over and then just download your data. So to do this, you can head over to your Meta Account Center. Then for this one, head over to this your information permission. Download your information. Then click on this download or transfer and then just choose in here your Facebook. After you have done that, click onto the specific types of information and then just wait for this to load and then look in here for messages. Click on messages right here, and for this also choose in-app messages and the likes. After you have done that, you should be able to see it all right here. Now from in there, you can just continue with your messages right here and then click on next. Then you can download this to a device if you want and click on the this create files option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.